Hey friends, today we're going to make some awesome ninja stars. So grab your paper and let's begin. You will need 2 pieces of origami paper, or you can make your own by simply turning down this corner, creasing along the edge, and then cutting off the excess. This will give you a square. Just make 2 of those and you're ready to begin. Let's get started. Throughout this process, to avoid confusion, it is really helpful to make sure that the placement of your 2 papers match the placement of the 2 papers in the video. This will help ensure that your folds are correct and that your stars turn out well. You'll notice that I folded both papers in half so they look like 2 triangles. Then we'll open up each paper. Then turn your papers so that the 2 creases form a V shape like you see here. Fold your paper in half so it's like a rectangle. Make sure you make a very good crease, and then open the paper back up. And then do the same with the other paper. Then fold your paper so the bottom edge meets the center crease. Then do the same thing with the top edge. And repeat those same folds with the second paper. Now fold both papers in half and make sure you crease them both very well. Now it's time for a quick check. Are you staying on track? Make sure your papers match the papers below, including the angle of their creases. Now we'll fold both papers in half like this. And then open them up again. Now fold this side up along its diagonal crease. I'll demonstrate that one more time, and notice that this edge will meet this crease. And we'll make the same fold on the other side of this paper, and notice this edge will meet the center crease. Fold the other paper in the same way, making sure that you fold along this diagonal. Again, bringing this edge to meet the center crease. Then fold the other side so this edge meets the center crease. Before we continue, make sure that your papers look like this. And then flip them over so they make kind of a Y shape. Now we're going to make some folds, but I'm going to show you first what not to do. Don't do this. You want to make your fold so it looks like this. Make sure you're seeing a Z shape. If it's not a Z, then it's not correct. You can go back in the video and check all of your folds if you need to. Fold the other paper in the same way, again creating that Z shape. And notice that if you fold it like this, that's not correct, because it doesn't create a Z shape. You want to fold it like this. I know this one's folded correctly because it looks like a Z. Do a quick check and make sure your angles match the ones below. Now you can fold the top section down like this, make sure you crease it really well. Fold the bottom section up like this, and once you've creased it well, you can make the 2 flaps stand up. Do the same thing on the other paper. This next step is a bit tricky, so watch closely to see how these go together. I'm going to place one over the top of the other. I'll show you that one more time. They go together perpendicular like a plus sign. Watch closely to see how the flaps fold together. I'll tuck this flap under here. This flap tucks under here. Then turn your paper over and tuck this flap under here, and the last flap tucks under here. And of course, feel free to go back and watch that again if you need to. And that's it, you just made an awesome ninja star. Well done! How many more are you gonna make? Thanks for making a ninja star with me today. I hope it turned out great. Comment below if there are other things you'd like to learn how to make, and I'll see what I can do. Click subscribe if you want more art videos, and we'll see you here next time to have some more fun making art.